Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have pulled pork sandwiches, and we're going to start with a pork loin roast. And this is what we're going to do with that. I have a blend of what I call everything. I just put a lot of different spices and seasonings that I like together in a bottle, and I use them for different things. You should always have your own house blend. But I'm going to shake this over this roast. Try not to use a lot of salts. Just use it, non-salts and powders. I'm gonna pack that in and put it around the sides too. Pat it in. I use lots of garlic, I tell you that. All different kind of garlic powders and etc. that I have in my cabinet. And that's because I love garlic. That's real. Let's put a little bit more. And we're going to use a roasting bag. Slip it into this roasting bag. I don't have the tie, so hold on. Get the air out first. Sorry about all the noise. Let's put it upside down. And I have the oven heating at 375. I'm going to put it in there and let it do its thing. Okay, this pork roast has cooked about 2 hours. I left the juice in. Now we're going to shred some of it. You want to shred it so you can make nice sandwiches. It's pretty easy. I kept the juice because the juice has flavor also. I made some coleslaw, but I took a shortcut. I went in the produce section and I got me a bag of coleslaw blend. And then too, I could make the slaw. Oh my goodness, what am I trying to say? Give me a minute. I could make my coleslaw dressing, but I bought it too. Yeah. Sometimes you don't feel like taking the long route, so it's okay to just take some shortcuts. The only thing I did with that coleslaw was I added some onion, because I like onion in mine. And I got my barbecue sauce ready. You just take your favorite barbecue sauce. I added some brown sugar. I added some dry mustard. I added some honey. And a couple of caps full of white vinegar. And I slow cooked my barbecue sauce. I'm going to shred some more of this and we're going to make us a nice sandwich. Okay, I've shredded some pork. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. I think I told you I added some brown sugar, some honey, some dry mustard, and a couple caps of vinegar into my favorite barbecue sauce. We're going to toss that around. Maybe just a little bit more. You don't want to make it too wet because you don't want a soggy bun. I don't like a soggy bun. Now we're going to turn this into a sandwich. Going to take some of our barbecue pork. It won't take too much. When you're making these recipes, you make things to your taste. You don't have to exactly follow a recipe. That's why I always say taste, taste, taste. Add what you like and make it your own. And now we're going to take some of this coleslaw. Used to be my mother's favorite. She loved coleslaw. She could eat it with almost any type of meat. And I think we have it there. And there's your pulled pork sandwich. Well, friends, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And don't forget to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them, pray for you, pray for us. Pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, my friends, be well.